start.
Oh yeah, what are we gonna be making today?
Bird feeders.
Awesome.
Peanut butter.
Ooh, what supplies are we going to need today?
Peanut butter.
We need peanut butter,
And pine cones.
pine cones.
And bird feeders.
For each pine cone, you need the same amount of
And
pieces
bird
of string
Bird feeders.
and bird seed. Yes. Okay.
Once you have your string on,
Next step is to put the peanut butter on your pine cone.
make sure there's always a adult helping you with a knife.
That's great.
Proper safety is always supported. Lots of peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Make sure that you cover your entire pine cone with peanut butter. That's what will hold the birdseed on the pine cone when we hang it in the tree.
All of the birds say, "Let's stick it on me. How do you get it out?" Wipe it off.
Woo! All right, show me.
Look.
Back up a little. It's so close. Oh yeah, it looks great. Give me a thumbs up.
Peanut butter thumbs up.
Oh, peanut butter thumbs up. Woo!
Peanut butter thumbs up. Walk into the back inside. Hello, Venture Cove. And mine's like this.
Yay.
And thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.
Go.
Adventure Coves